Hello and welcome once again to MG Tracy. Thank you for watching. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're not, please subscribe. Today we're going to be looking at the Blue Bay Platinum. Now this is the sister hotel to the Lila Blue Suites, which is just down there. That is on a separate video. They're the same owners and they share the same private beach. Let's have a look what to expect inside. So from the balcony behind the lounge bar, you can actually see the sister hotel there. There's our Lila Suites. You can see their rooms. It's called a swim up to, but really it's a plunge pool in the front there. And you do get a fair bit of noise from the different types of entertainments that floats between the two hotels, which, like I said, is the same owners. This one is much bigger. That there is one of the main blocks of accommodation, but very few actually have a sea view. You're about 3 minutes from the beach here, but you have got choice of pools. So you may have realised that it gets really busy. This is May, so if you're going to make sure you want to get a sunbed by one of the pools, you're going to need to come down slightly before 8 o'clock in the morning and make sure you reserve your spot. hotel beach, or actually the beach, you need to come out of reception, turn right. You then come down that little road there. You've got a little walk, takes a couple of minutes down to the beach. There are no drinks or food on the beach, but the hotel does have its own area with sunbeds. After that little walk through, this is your beach.